Hello students, today we are going to start with preparation of alcohols, which is very important. And while doing preparation हम एक नया फॉर्मूला करते हैं and which is known as very much Operation Ma. But today the formula which I am going to do is not only Ma, actually it is Ma C. And why C is important here, that you will understand only after seeing this formula here. So we'll see this now, preparation of alcohol formula here. Our topic is alcohols, and of this now we'll see why I said Ma C. See, this your Ma, and here is C. C for condition. As you do remember, most of the time हम थोड़ी मस्ती करते हैं, बिना मस्ती के हमारा स्टार्ट तो होता नहीं है प्रिपरेशन. So as the topic is alcohol, अब टॉपिक अल्कोहल है as you know, तो अल्कोहल के लिए हम मना कर रहे हैं, हम ना बोल रहे हैं, मना किया जा रहा है, नो. पर लोग मानते कहाँ हैं? नहीं मानेंगे. नहीं मानेंगे तो क्या होगा? नाला खुला हुआ है. अब नाले में गिर गए तो नाला तो चले जाएगा मीठी नदी में. देख लीजिए, बह गए. यही हमारा फॉर्मूला है. अल्कोहल मना किया जा रहा है, वरना नाले में गिरोगे, बह जाओगे. बट ये तो अपनी मस्ती होती है. एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला, एक्चुअल मीनिंग इज this no, this cut meaning is halogen. This halogen, what is this? Alkene. The double bond is alkene. And what is this now? Other than two, other than halogen and alkene, the organic compound which is there is this zigzag. Zigzag meaning is other than two. That you will understand when we'll take actual question. Okay, now this halogen, generally we write this way. Okay, so here two possibilities there, means we can put KOH or silver hydroxide, which is aqueous here. Now on arrow heat, but for this we should write moist silver oxide and heat. And what is the condition for this? No condition. You will understand this condition for this alkene. In alkene, again we have two possibilities here. One is sulfuric acid, HOSO3H, and water. No need to write this number one, it's okay. Here we have diborane and H2O2. This two-step process, that's why we'll have two arrow. On second arrow we have heat, on second arrow we have OH minus. Now here is condition. If you want 1 degree alcohol, if you want primary alcohol, use diborane. And this is for secondary alcohol. Condition is there. For this other, now three possibilities we have. One is, no need to add here, as we have to write reducing agent like lithium, aluminium hydride, two-step process. Here we have hydronium ion. Other, one more possibility is we can put hydrogen here nickel or palladium heat. This is known as catalytic hydrogenation. And for this RMGX, which you know very well, Grignard's reagent, this is also two-step process. So here we write dry ether on arrow, and here is hydronium ion. Now what is the, see, three possibilities are there. So what is the condition? Condition in the sense like here it's okay, no condition is there, but for this saturated compound is formed. That you will understand when we'll take actual question. And for this Cp is not equal to Cr, means carbon of product is not equal to carbon of reactant, means difference in carbon. So this formula, if we'll practice like that, we say Ma-C. Main is halogen alkene other than halogen alkene, and two possibilities in the sense we can put aqueous KOH, silver hydroxide, arrow. See, this arrow is important. For alkene, two possibilities. You want primary alcohol, two-step diborane hydrogen peroxide. Here sulfuric acid concentrated in water. Very important is this. See, for this two, carbon is same, right side and left side. Only for this Grignard, if there is difference in carbon, we do this Grignard's reagent. So this formula you write and keep, and this will help you when next class will start preparation, actual reaction. That time will require this. So for the day, this done. We'll see next class.